Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Titrating weak acids can be tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's find out which sample hits a higher pH at that specific half-equivalence point now. At the half-equivalence point of any weak acid titration, the concentration of the acid equals its conjugate base. This means the pH of the solution is exactly equal to the pKa. Looking at our table, Hz has the smaller Ka value compared to Hx. Therefore, Hz will have the higher pKa and the higher pH. That makes option D our... Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush on signs.